Part 3, what's happening world? This is the homosexual epidemic that I'm addressing. This is a topic I feel as if I gotta address. As I was saying, I left off with the whole woman thing. If you were a baby girl, you gonna grow into a woman, and you must acknowledge that you must be a woman and whatnot, and you must be with a man. You know what I'm talking about? And I also stated that for men, need to be with a woman. You understand what I'm talking about? But what it seems like happens to these homosexuals, these gays and bisexuals, I'm gonna tell you about. I'm gonna address the bisexuals because basically y'all in the same category as the homosexuals. You know what I'm talking about? And I'm gonna address also the atheists and the people that say they a free spirit or whatnot. If you don't believe in a Lord, let me rephrase it. If you don't believe in Lord, you know what I'm talking about? Because me, I believe it's only one Lord, but for some reason, all around the world we call them different names. I don't know. That's just my opinion. You know what I'm talking about? That's my opinion. Yeah. If you don't believe in the Lord, if you don't believe in Lord or whatnot, you know what I'm talking about? And me, I acknowledge there was a Jesus Christ, and Jesus Christ our Savior, or whatnot. You know what I'm talking about? Some of y'all gonna ask me or be like, "Are you a Christian?" Look, I'm a soldier of the Lord. I'm a man of the Lord. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know if I am a Christian, but I'm gonna tell you this straight up. Look, I worship the Lord. I try to walk in His path of righteousness. You know what I'm talking about? I done did plenty wrong. I acknowledge my wrongs. I done got down on my knees and asked Him to forgive me, and now I'm trying to do better with my life. You know what I'm talking about? I've been on the path. I've been trying to be on the path of righteousness for some time. You know what I'm talking about? I'm trying to cut all the bullshit out and dedicate my life to the Lord and just try to do right or whatnot. But as I was saying, if you an atheist or a free spirit, you know, I'm gonna tell you this: if you an atheist and you don't worship the Lord, y'all don't believe in spirits, y'all just believe that we just humans. Look at her, man. The next time you in the city and you see a base head or somebody that happens to do with heavy drugs or whatnot, you know what I'm talking about? The next time you see one of these individuals, try to talk to them if they not under the influence and ask them what do they see when they high. Ask them what all do they see. I done talked to a couple of these folks already. I done seen a couple of these folks already. These folks be talking about demons and angels, man. You know what I'm talking about? And some of y'all might say, of course, they're gonna say that they hallucinate. Man, look, it's a spiritual realm around us, man. You know what I'm talking about? This body that we in, you know what I'm talking about? It's a spirit. We have a soul or whatnot, and the spirits around us. You know what I'm talking about? They try to alter our soul. You know, you got good spirits and you got bad spirits, angels and demons. But if you talk to these individuals, these folks that's under the heavy influence of some that's doing some crack or heroin or meth, ask them what they see when they get so messed up, man. And I'm gonna tell you, they all gonna say they see some type of spiritual realm. They see angels and demons, man. And if that don't give you a reason to believe that it's a Lord, somebody superior, not on earth, because look at her. No matter what us humans create in the country, you know, government or whatever. Look, man, hey, y'all ain't superior, man. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna tell you who's superior. It's the Lord Jehovah. You know what I'm talking about? As far as y'all though, y'all ain't superior, man. Y'all just want to control some folks. You know what I'm talking about? But y'all ain't superior, man. You know what I'm talking about? But I'm telling you, man, it's the Lord that's up there, and He in charge of everything, man. You know what I'm talking about? Hold on, it is. The 4 parts. Oh well, yeah. But which kind though, man? For y'all folks that's free spirit or whatnot, what you basically saying is, okay, you know, I acknowledge there's a Lord, but my spirit, you know, I don't really care, you know, if something sounds good to me, I'm gonna be cool with it. You know what I'm talking about? So that means you basically saying like, if an orgy sounds good to you, you know, the people that you see in the orgy sound reasonable to you or whatnot, you know what I'm talking about, they look reasonable to you, you gonna join in it. If you a lady and another bride, let me rephrase it. If you a lady and another lady come across you and she be like, hey, what's happening? You know what I'm talking about, I wanna do this and that. And you got a free spirit and it sound right to you, it sound okay okay, I'll do it. You know what I'm talking about? That's what a free spirit is to me. That's my opinion. You know what I'm talking about? But that's basically my opinion about atheists and free spirit people. You know what I'm talking about? And it's like, if you don't come under the Lord, man, and realize, you know what I'm talking about, that which the homosexuality, because I want to address some other things, but I'm mainly talking about homosexuality. That's what this topic about, so I'm trying to stay on there. But you know, if you have a free spirit, you gonna be open to that. You know what I'm talking about? And these I happen to believe be the people that be bisexual. You know what I'm talking about? But also you is a homosexual. You know what I'm talking about? Because you do acts with the same sex or whatnot. So you know, I feel like, look, as a brother from another mother and another father, with the same Father in heaven, you know, Lord Jehovah, that's what I call him, or whatnot. King of Kings, creator of all things. You know what I'm talking about? I ask and I tell my brothers and sisters that engage in this act of homosexuality, look, man, y'all need to cut off what y'all doing. Y'all need to let that bullshit go, man. Y'all need to get y'all mind right. You know what I'm talking about? For y'all men that I'm gonna make one more video after this, you know what I'm talking about, and why it is. I'm gonna go further into why it is I think y'all confused and y'all deceived. You know what I'm talking about? But for y'all men though, you know what I'm talking about, us men on earth, we supposed to be the strong ones, man. We supposed to hold the woman down. You know what I'm talking about? We supposed to get the woman to walk in righteousness, man. If we not right, you know what I'm talking about, then the woman ain't gonna do right. You know what I'm talking about? Because when the Lord created the earth, he created man, and then he created woman. He created the woman to keep the man company and the man to keep the woman company. You know what I'm talking about? Adam and Eve. And if you don't believe in Adam and Eve, I believe in man and woman. I don't believe man or woman. You know what I'm talking about? So, look, man, y'all just need to stop what y'all doing. Pick the Bible up, you know. Love is a powerful feeling, and if y'all love what y'all doing, man, look, what you need to realize is it's not right. It's not right at all. Y'all doing wrong to yourselves. Y'all doing wrong to Father Lord. Y'all doing wrong to nature. And, you know, mankind and humanity gonna suffer real big from these acts, man. You know what I'm talking about? It just ain't cool, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and make what this is now. This part 4, part 5, and this is gonna be the last one. So y'all just bear with me, ride with me. If y'all listen to all these, man, look, just take the time out, listen to one more. Whoever you is that's listening to me, man, as I done said before, you clicked on my video, you seen the topic. If you gonna reply back with hate, that's all good, man. You know what I'm talking about? It's already understood. But y'all just hear me out. Last video.